So hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to talk about global surgery day calculator, and it's very important for medical coders and denial management coders so that they can append appropriate global day modifier with the help of global day calculator. So you all knows like modifier 24, 58, 79, 78, such a type of modifiers we need to check global period, patient is in global period, post operative period or not. So for that reason I am going to show you two different global day calculator in this video. So how to use that calculator, let's get started without wasting a single time. So guys, before going to show you global day calculator tool, I just want to show you this example. For this example, we will use global day calculator. So in this example, if a patient is encountered to office on DOS 6/1/2022 for his neck pain, and in addition, if the patient need his leg abscess to be drained, and if the physician does both on same day, and patient had appendectomy on DOS 3/11/2022 by same physician, then the claim would be billed as. So in this example I just want to focus you here. Patient had appendectomy on DOS 3/11/2022. So patient had appendectomy is a major surgery, so we need to find out whether patient is in global period or not. So for this reason, normally we can calculate by DOS, but we have a global day calculator to find out accurate global day and when the global day will be end up. So let's jump into the global day calculator. So here, so guys, this is the Codify tool. So and I am using Codify. You can use any software. So you can find coding tools global day calculator. Just click on that, then like that tool will be open, and here we need to enter CPT code. So 44950, this is the appendectomy CPT code, and date of service is when appendectomy performed 3/11/2022. So need to select 3/11 and just click on search button. So here you will get result. See, appendectomy global day indicator is 90 days. So it's a major surgery, 90 days global period. And this global period will end up on 6/9/2022. So patient is in global period up to this 6/9/2022. In our example, patient visited 6/1/2022. So global period is not end up. So we can take this patient is in global period. So like that we need to find out accurate global period so that we can append proper global day modifier. So for this example, coding will be like that. See, patient visited here for office visit. So based on medical record, we can give 99213. Uh, and on same day, leg abscess drainage has been performed. Incision and drainage abscess simple. So that 10060 this CPT appended. So that we need to append 25 modifiers. It's a separately identifiable ENM service, and patient is in global period but now visited for unrelated service, so that we need to append modify 24. So it's an unrelated service, and patient is in global period, and we have find out proper global day with the help of global day calculator. So coding will be like that, 99213 with 25 and 24. Then we need to assign this to ICD code as well. I just want to show you one free global day calculator also available. This is, just go into the Google and type global day calculator, you will get result. Just click on first link. If you click on that first link, you you will get a global day calculator here also. So just enter 44950 and just look up. So here if you enter here, you will get global days 90 days, but you can't find when the global period will end up, so that we need to enter here. 3/11 3/11 2022 and calculate. See, if you enter here date and click on 90 days, then you will get global day end up on 6/9/2022. So this is the free tool. So you guys can use anytime. So I hope you guys understood well and how to use global day calculator and how to apply it properly. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe Medical Tube.